I've been trying to send out some information on Bitcoin recently. I think there's a good opportunity to get on board the possible mega trend here. I say possible because we never know for sure. This is a chart of Bitcoin going back to inception, or at least close to inception. It ticked along, not doing very much. Let me get the right page out. So it ticked along, not doing very much for a number of years. We then saw, I think, well, we can count it as a 1-2, although the 1-2 could have been here, I guess, and then this solid rally up. But I count it as a one wave. So we're seeing a one wave from below zero. Sorry, not below zero. The price was a few cents up to $1,000. So if you bought at I think it was 1 cent, it was available thereabouts, and sold at $1,000. You end up with, I think, $1 million, as I recall. So certainly, one Bitcoin bought at, I think, $1 invested in Bitcoin at the early days became worth $1 million at that point. Now, at this point, we enter an ABC decline. And you see this spike here, for example. I think that was on the Chinese announcement. So we've got a two-wave. And since then, we've rallied in a five-wave form. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, currently we haven't seen new highs above this level here, but we're getting quite close to that. So my anticipation is that we're going to see some kind of pullback in the fairly near future. Well, I say near future. This is, I think these are monthly bars. So within I don't know, the first quarter perhaps of next year, we might see a fifth wave peak unless it accelerates, in which case it could be a third wave. What I've been suggesting is that people buy mining shares which generate Bitcoin rather than holding Bitcoin. So by having mining shares, Bitcoin had churned out, not exactly for free because you had to buy the mining shares, but it doesn't matter too much what happens in the interim as long as the overall trend is up. And this does seem to be a fairly clear bullish pattern on Bitcoin. Going back to the chart goes to 2010. In fact, the Bitcoin was created in 2008, so the first couple of years are missing, but it was very low level stuff. But the chart suggests that we could see this level taken out, but we probably have a few setbacks first, which is why I'm looking at mining shares rather than the actual Bitcoin itself at this point. But certainly, if we do see some decent sell-offs, then I'll be looking to buy Bitcoin as well. But and also there's opportunity of hedging. So if you have mining shares using Bitcoin, you're holding some Bitcoin at the 750 level thereabouts, then we may see a decent selling opportunity whereby we can hedge the position, and that's something I'll be monitoring. Now, whether or not this is a mega trend, I think actually the whole concept of cryptocurrencies and the blockchain is a mega trend. I think it's going to change things dramatically over time. Whether Bitcoin will be around at the peaks in I don't know however many years forward, I don't know. But I do think there is a mega trend here. This is one opportunity to join that mega trend. So that's how I'm looking at it. So in a sense, this is a big call. I'm not making it a formal big call because maybe it's slightly outside the boundaries of what we do. But maybe I should. I'm not sure. I'd like some feedback on that actually. What do you think about it? But certainly this is a speculative position. You know, this is a trade. It's like the gold trade I've been talking about. You know, there should be a stop level, and the stop level is zero. So the stop level is being wiped out, or that position being wiped out. So it's not for it's not an investment situation where you stick in, I don't know, 1% of your wealth, whatever it might be. It's something where you want to put a much smaller sum in to get a foothold. And you can buy a mining pool for $500. You can also buy partial mining pools, etc., etc. But obviously, as I've invested in this, I think it's a good deal, and you must decide what you think about it yourselves. What I've been trying to do is provide information so one can make an informed decision on this. You'll notice that wave 4 here did not probe below the wave 1 at this point, which is one of the essential elements of the Elliott wave count. But this looks pretty good, except that we have maybe seen 5 waves up or about to. So we could see a couple of months, well, maybe as this rally has taken us almost 2 years now, we could certainly see the market go down next year. But again, no reason not to buy mining shares because it's just producing Bitcoin, which is all to the good, really. Okay, that's enough for today. I hope you found that interesting and useful. Back to the report, weekend report tomorrow. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.